So let's have a look at what we've got going on this morning. Starting as usual with our daily chart of the ES. So minor degree 4 in there, 5 up is what we're trading. So 5 up to here is a diagonal, the 2 back, 1, 2, and I'm looking therefore for this to start to push up to the 3016 area in this 3 next. And nothing, as I said last night in the video, that we have seen in the last 2 days has changed that. I'm not mad about how deep we've come, I must say. And there is that caveat. If you look at the the monthly chart I've posted as well in the forum for the SPX with all the Hurst cycles on it, I'm monitoring those FLDs because from a Hurst perspective, if we take out the 40-week FLD at any point, I think it's highly likely that the top's in. Now we're nowhere near doing that, and it's pretty much lined up with my support level on the hourly chart on the S&P 500 at that 2850 area. So and unless we come all the way down there, then I'm simply going to assume that what we've seen in the last few days is just a deep 4 in the indices, and that's how it still fibs out. So if I come down to the 4-hour chart and just, excuse me, scale this up properly. So off this 2 here, 1 up to here, and I'm not sure whether you got the 1 here or here, and then this expanded flat. It does count best in the Dow as an expanded flat, but that notwithstanding, from there, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, into the 1618, this A, B, C for the 4. It's held on the ES above the 764. In the S&P 500, it also held above the 764. In the NASDAQ, it's hit the 618. But we bounced off the low yesterday afternoon. That low has held, held overnight, and we potentially have a 1-2 set up to the upside going into today's session. So I'm still long from the second long entry yesterday afternoon in the room. I left 50% of that on overnight. Still got that position with my stop at yesterday's low at the moment. And looking up here next, 29.52 minimum, and more likely this 29.64 for the 3 of this 3, then the 4, 5, up to the 3,000 and so target that we're looking for the 3 of the bigger 3. Sorry, a lot of 3s in this, but it's the 3 that always subdivides down. Okay, let's then bring it down one more time frame to the hourly, and you can see this is yesterday's move down. So there was the low on Tuesday, which I was hoping was all of it. We got the move up and then another A, B, C. We came right down into this 138.2 extension on the nose. That's for this A wave, then projected off the B. And the most common 2 relationships for the A to C are the 1.0 or the 138.2. So we hit the 138.2 and we've bounced. Looking for that low to hold today and to see an update in the ES